Tap the System Tools button. Tap iScanHelper. Select a view. Tap the thumbnails to magnify the image. Swipe left or right to browse the anatomy map, ultrasound image, and transducer location image. Tap again to restore the image to its original size. Swipe up or down to view scanning tips. Tap the left arrow to display the View menu. Tap the down arrow to switch to another exam mode. Tap the View menu to change the view. Tap the Scan icon to access the Exam Mode and Imaging Mode menu. Tap the iScanHelper icon to return to iScanHelper. After freezing the image, tap the Scan icon to display the Measurement, Annotation, and Body Mark menu. Tap the Close icon to exit iScanHelper.